Moment just to look at you. Because what I see inside this room is greatness. Women, men with greatness within them. See, what I've learned in life is that the road of life is never straight. There are curves called mistakes, loops called confusion, red lights called enemies. You see, it's got yellow and green lights called friends and family. And you're not alone. I want you to look around the room right now, to your left and to your right. And I want you to smile at the person. They've been there, they've done that. Survivors of stroke. Have you ever said to yourself, why is this happening to me?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. Same here. I watch every day as his mom asked the same question, why did this happen to my son? Could it have been different? And I'm sitting here surviving, knowing that it could have been me. Don't cry. No need to cry. See, I smile now. You see, I want to come to you right now. See, I smile now. Hold on a second. Let me hold your hand here. See, let me tell you what happens, right? Is I smile now. You know why I smile? Because God gave me an opportunity to still be here. And with that gift that I have, I try to do things like what I'm doing right now. I try to make people understand how powerful living and being here is. So you now, you have a gift. You and all of you here, you all have a gift. It's a beautiful gift. You see, the gift is that God, or whoever you choose to believe in, He allowed you to be here. You are here. You are here. Every morning, wake up and ask yourself, what am I grateful for? And number two, when you go to bed at night, and this is the hardest one, because your day, you have so many things that happen throughout your day. But if you could find one win, something that you could say to yourself, you know what? That worked out. I want you to understand that value, that you are the drivers of your life. And that doesn't mean that all the time the road will be smooth. It's not. What it is about is being grateful and not hateful. Don't let the fear fool you. Let it refuel you. Be the drivers of your life.